An icon of the latter decades of the Cold War, the B-1B Lancer was originally designed as a strategic nuclear bomber with a mission to fly at low altitude, in order to avoid Soviet early warning radars. With the end of the Cold War, the B-1B Lancer has been adapted to carry conventional munitions and has been used extensively in close air support and tactical bombing missions. Carrying the largest payload of both guided and unguided weapons in the Air Force inventory, the multi-mission B-1 is the backbone of America's long-range bomber force. It can rapidly deliver massive quantities of precision and non-precision weapons anywhere in the world. The B-1B's blended wing/body configuration, variable geometry wings, and turbofan afterburning engines combine to provide long-range, maneuverability, and high speed while enhancing survivability. Forward wing settings are used for takeoff, landings, air refueling, and in some high-altitude weapons employment scenarios. The B-1 is a highly versatile, multi-mission weapon system. The B-1B's synthetic aperture radar is capable of tracking, targeting, and engaging moving vehicles as well as self-targeting and terrain-following modes. In addition, an extremely accurate global positioning system-aided inertial navigation system enables aircrews to navigate without the aid of ground-based navigation aids as well as engage targets with a high level of precision. The B-1A was initially developed in the 1970s as a replacement for the B-52. For prototypes of this long-range, high-speed, Mach 2.2, strategic bomber were developed and tested in the mid-1970s, but the program was cancelled in 1977 before going into production. Flight testing continued through 1981. The B-1B is an improved variant initiated by the Reagan administration in 1981. Major changes included the addition of additional structure to increase payload by 74,000 pounds, an improved radar and reduction of the radar cross-section by an order of magnitude. The inlet was extensively modified as part of this RCS reduction, necessitating a reduction in maximum speed to Mach 1.2. The first production B-1 flew in October 1984, and the first B-1B was delivered to Dallas Air Force Base, Texas, in June 1985. Initial operational capability was achieved on October 1, 1986. The final B-1B was delivered May 2, 1988. The B-1B holds almost 50 world records for speed, payload, range, and time of climb in its class. The National Aeronautic Association recognized the B-1B for completing one of the 10 most memorable record flights for 1994. The most recent records were made official in 2004. The B-1B was first used in combat in support of operations against Iraq during Operation Desert Fox in December 1998. In 1999, 6 B-1s were used in Operation Allied Force, delivering more than 20% of the total ordnance while flying less than 2% of the combat sorties.